Bla bla blabina.
Hi, my name is Blabina. And I am having a party. Why? Because I'm happy. I am happy, I am happy, and I am having a party. I have my party glasses. I have my party hat. I have my party badge. And I have my party necklace. Where is my party necklace? I forgot to make it. Silly Blabina. Let's do it now.
To make special party necklace, you need pasta, your favorite paint color, and paintbrush. Look at my fingers! They are all blue! Do you like getting messy when having fun? I do! Let's dance while we're waiting for the paint to dry. Okay, to do this, you will need a help from a grown-up. Ask them nicely to cut a piece of a sellotape and wrap it around the end of the ribbon. This will help you feed the ribbon through the pasta.
Hey friends,
Hi, Blabina!
I just need to finish my necklace and then we can play. Orange, blue, yellow, my favorite colors. Orange, blue, yellow. Yeah. Ooh, looks so good. What do you think, guys? Those are my friends. They're coming to the party too. Now all I need to do is tie those two ends together like this and make a bow like this. Perfect. And then put it around my neck. And look! My pasta party necklace is done. What do you think, guys? Oh, thank you so much. You are very kind. I know. I have a great idea. Why don't you make your own pasta necklace and have a party with your friends or your siblings or your grown-ups? They like to party too. You are smart, you are amazing, and you can do anything. What? Do you want to see more of Blabina's videos? More of me? Blabina? You do? That's fantastic! Then search my name on YouTube, Blabina, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Blah blah Blabina, it's party 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 time. Blah blah Blabina.
Blah blah Blabina.